crying your name. Winter's gone now, we're headed for summer. I guess that means it's been 3 years calling you. And I don't even try to remember. Can't seem to remember to forget about you. Long gone, but you're ever so near. And I hold on to my fever dreams. So long as I sleep, you are here. When I close my eyes, it's you that I see. And I'm calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. And I wake when I'm crying your name. I'm crying your name. Calling out, calling out. Calling out your name. Reaching out, reaching out. I am calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. And I wake up and cry. I'm calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. And I wake when I'm crying your name. I'm crying your name.
Hey, he's got me looking quite beige. Got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me. I need something fast. I need something to last and give satisfaction, no. Help me, grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me, interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me how high big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
It's true, you think it will be over. A fool am I to feel the way I do. And God knows I've tried over and each night I am lost in my
So, thanks for coming by. Appreciate it. You know, this photo of the car dealership that you saw here, I took that in 1988 with a Konica camera that I can't remember the model of right now, but I don't have it anymore. The photo itself from the slide, the Kodachrome slide, it was really underexposed. I think that's what the problem was. I could have had something to do with age. So it was about 2 stops underexposed. I didn't know if I could work with that, but I was able to salvage some of it. Plus it was a little blurry, a little soft. I think that was probably on my part because You know, back then we didn't have autofocus, we had manual focus. And it looks like it was kind of a dark evening, so I probably was hurrying. It was taken in April of '88, it says on the slide holder. It's a good picture. I love it because of the historical content. You know, it's got the old cars in it, the old '88s, which, man, back then I had to give my whatever, and to have one of those '88 Broncos, they were such nice rigs. But I never had one of those. Anyway, the picture's good. I think if I did it again, I think it would be better as an 8x12 because I don't enlarge all the faults. I learned a lot just watching the video as I edited this video that I'm doing. I look at what I'm doing there on the screen and I go, what the heck did I do that for? You know, I tried to do this quickly so it don't take a lot of time, so I probably wasn't careful like I should have been, but I didn't want to tie up a whole bunch of your time. But it came out good. I like the colors, and I love the color of that of the building, of the windows, that golden color, and that's what it was. That's why I took that photo, is those windows. And then the mountains in the background have the pink glow on them. Those are the Chugach Mountains in the background. It's a pretty picture. The thing that makes this picture interesting is, of course, the building with the glow on them, and also the cars. It's a historical picture, like I said, and you can't beat a historical picture. I would do things different if I had to do it again. If somebody wanted a print of this, I would redo it. I mean, I don't know if I said it, I would give it a 7.5 out of 10. There's a lot of things I see there that I might, that I would do differently. I gave it a little too much sharpening in places, and I lowered the contrast. I was trying to save some, get some detail in the shadows. Turns out I shouldn't have sharpened, and I should have gave it more contrast. Anyway, it came out good. I'm happy with it for that, 38-year-old slide that's been sitting around and all these years up here. But this wasn't bad. I was really surprised that the sky wasn't more filled with clutter and dust. So yeah, let's go on. Let's move on. So thanks for coming and watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope maybe somebody learned something from it or got any good ideas to try something. You know, you can always use good ideas. They make you learn. All right, you guys take care. Thanks for coming by. Talk to you later. Bye now.